data, and we are basically only talking about the non-personal data, because we understand that when you talk about AI, you don't require personal data. The most important thing is that continuous flow of data is required, and non-personal data suffices to it. This policy will also enable the data access so that all the stakeholders can get the data, be it government, be it industry, academia, or the emerging technology aspect. And the most important thing is that we will be creating India AI dataset platform, which will enable and streamline access of the data.
Legal framework and a bit on what are possible data sources that can be used, etc. And some of the portals which will get subsumed in the India dataset. We already have this Collection of Statistics Act of 2008, the IT Act of 2000, and the DPDP Act of 2023, which will soon get notified. And then we have sector-specific acts which look at certain data which is collected in different departments, which was mentioned in the earlier presentation also.
Could you please give us a holistic view of how the India AI mission looks at the datasets problem, and how will the datasets platform specifically help us close the gaps that exist in the ecosystem today?
Indigenous LLMs or LMMs, where it will be downstream to the domain-specific models, and these models will be using the data available. So we will be providing it as a platform where annotation service will be given, data labeling, data curation services will be given. In fact,
briefly speaking, we are speaking, of course, of the climate sector, and specifically in the Indian context, we are seeing an acceleration of agri-tech solutions based on AI, which is fantastic, because when we're thinking of it, there are so many outputs that AI can do that facilitate the use of agricultural services and solutions today, can help the farmers.
There are solutions co-led by Boris Stolski and Bogmil Kamiński, two Polish experts in the Future of Work working group. The idea of this project is to create and design a framework that will offer support for three fundamental use cases: AI-based product solution, conceptualization and design, identification of responsible AI factors and best practices specific for the product and project, and evaluation of AI-based